Hello, my name is Jasu Sims. I'm a Clark Atlanta University graduate, class of 2006, SpeechComm grad. I just want to say I really enjoyed attending this workshop by Kevin Brown. It's my first time attending the full workshop. I've got a few snippets here and there, but I think it's a really excellent opportunity for students who really are not sure where to find resources and don't know where to start as they start to begin planning for college. Financial aid is so tricky and can be really difficult to navigate. So I just want to encourage students and parents to get involved in the process and understand that a lot of the ways that you can help yourself out is by thinking about going the extra mile. Understand the ways that you can attain more resources to pay for college really come from you just thinking outside of the box, building relationships, sacrificing, budgeting, and thinking about how you can maximize on the smallest opportunity. So please go out there and get Kevin's book, use his website. It's interactive, it's user-friendly, and let this be the next step to building your future. Thanks.